Nurse Joy here. Today we're talking about cough. If you have a constant cough, a collecting cough of mucus, a sudden cough that you started coughing for some odd reason, I usually give it maybe 2 or 3 coughs. And then after 3 coughs, definitely probably after 2, especially after COVID, I don't play that. Are you sick? Do you have something? If they have a constant lingering cough, no fever, not sick, or even if they are sick, here's something that you can do for helping with the cough. You'll get olive oil, a lime, lemon, squeeze the juice out of it, 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Squeeze the lemon and the lime on top of it. A little bit of water, maybe a teaspoon or 2. And you probably can add a little honey. Stir it around, stir it around, stir it around, stir it around. It's going to make about this much of cough syrup. Drink it down. 1, 2 to 3 teaspoons down, and you should stop coughing. You can also, if you have a kid that's coughing, you can take some red onion slices and put them in his socks on the base of his feet. Wrap it up, saran wrap, put the socks on, coughing stops immediately. If you use red onions or onions, you can even use orange peels. Put the orange peels down under his feet, straight onto the bottom of his sole of his feet or her feet. Wrap it up, saran wrap, socks on. Coughing will stop instantaneously. This is Getting You to the Morning Joy. Hope you feel rested and healthy for today, tonight, and tomorrow. And keep on keeping on.